Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage security settings in your Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and click on the file on the top left side of the screen. Now click on settings. And here, as you guys can see, we will have the security first. So let me close the preferences and the app settings. And here, as you guys can see, we can change the vault timeout. We can change it to, let's say, 5 minutes. We can set it to on system idle, sleep or lock, on even system restart. We can also change the timeout action. So we can either lock our vault or we can log out of the vault, and we need to basically enter our email and the password again. Now, right at the bottom here, we will have unlock with PIN. So here we can unlock our vault with the PIN. So for example, 1234. And here we can enable or disable lock with master password on restart. So this is the password that we use to create an account to the Bitwarden. Here we just need to click OK. And as you guys can see, now we can enable it. And if we want to disable it, then we just click on the switch right here. Not the switch, but the checkbox. And that's basically how you guys can manage those settings. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.